my name is Naomi and today we're making Divine Beast Bad Medoh. It comes from the game called The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. You can see this too, just like Divine Beast Bad Ruta. Remember that? Like this, Divine Beast Bad Ruta. Remember that video? You know? Good! Now, are you ready to make this? You bet sure you. Let's get started. First, let's do the head. Don't forget the eye. We need to put it. Next, let's do the wings. Also, the wing attacks too. And then, let's make the body. Don't forget the tail. Also, we need to do the legs. Now, let's attach the legs to the body. Now, let's do the head to attach to the body and also the wings. Finished! Thank you for watching how to make Divine Beast Bad Ruta. So, what do you think? Good? Okay. Could you share the comment for me so I can see you? Great! If you are happy to enjoy, please like, subscribe, or share my video. Bye! See you next video!